Yeah, they'll fly. So the air show here this weekend, they're expecting close to 1 million people. Talk about the show. I'll show you the show. How about this guy, Arceneaux? Look where this was made. In 1998, the summer of. So the air show here this weekend, expecting 1 million people. Should be something else. Talk about the show. Now that was a player. I got to tell you a story about him. I worked for the team then. Some scouts were telling after that '98 season, this is you got to do that. By the way, Haslam, that Florida team that they should have won the Sweet 16, still in the NBA. Hey, Harold, this is what you got to do to play in the NBA next year. You got to do this, that, and the other thing. What makes you think I want to play in the NBA? Joe Bass almost spit his coffee across the room. Well, he did spit his coffee across the room. So talk about the show. So the air show's here this weekend. Higher and higher, our wings we will defend. So expecting 1 million people. So the show. I'll just tag this. The show. Is it all for show? Well, look what's going on in Ukraine. I thought 35 was built for that. I guess we're going to find out if Putin attacks the show. Expecting 1 million people here this weekend. 1 million. It's the show. Keep it going. Wanna ride her. Name in the sky. Gonna free fall. The show.